Hello everyone, grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the hairband. Grab another section of the hair right below the first one, then with the remaining section of the hair, have a ponytail and how it's split into three parts and how it braided in a thicker manner, and roll the braid to the top and how it's secured with a little hairpin. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and secure it temporarily, then have the sides of your hair combined with the hairband and bring the tail back and how it split them into two parts and how it combined at the back of the second tail. And have another section of the hair, do the same as we did before continuously. Then how a hairband attached to the bottom middle part, make a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and how it go down and how it attach to the last of the hairband. And after that decorate with your lovely hairpin and hairband. Make a ponytail on the left section of the hair, create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, do the same for the right side and combine both the tails together with another hairband. Then with the remaining section of the tail, how I split them into two parts and how a hairband the top middle part and drop the tail into it, split them into two parts and how braid it, then fold it to half and make it to the opposite side direction on the top part and how it's secured there by having a little hairpin. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair at the left side and how it split them into three parts and how it braided. So braid it until the bottom and how it's secured with the hairband. Do the same ponytail on the right side and do the same braiding as well. Then how the braids crisscross each other. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and how a gap created by using your finger, drop the tail into it and split them into two parts and how the left of it, how it combined together with the hairband. Comb a few strands of hair from the left side and have a hairband attached to it and create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it and combine both the tails together with another hairband. Then along with the tail, have the back section combined together with another hairband, making a ponytail. Split your lovely hair into two sections and have each of them split them into three parts and have a hairband attached to the bottom middle part of them and have it combined into pairs and drop each of the pairs into their own loop. By doing it continuously, you would get a tightened pattern. Do the same for the other tails as well. Then combine them both with the hairband on the top and bottom and stuff the tail into the middle one and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Then pinch out the hair on the top section. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and have a hairband the top middle part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it twice and scrunch it to the top, making a heart in shape. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the hairband and drop it inside to get a twisted pan. Then with the remaining section of the hair combine together with the hairband, split them into three parts and have the middle part a loop and drop the tail into it. With the remaining section, make it braided in a thicker manner. Do the same braiding on the other side and secure the end with the hairband. Then after that, combine all of them together with a common hairband. Thank you everyone for watching this video.